Want to write your emails now but send them later? Here's how to use Delay Send in Outlook. And there's an important difference depending on your account type. I have two different Outlook applications on my computer. One is Classic and the other one just says Outlook. I'm going to show you both just in case you have one or the other on your computer. So this one is the Classic, and you create your email as normal. With Outlook, you can change the send options at any point. Usually I wait until the end just in case I hit send. But in this case, I'm just going to pop in some rubbish text since this is another one of my accounts. When you're ready to send it, you click on options and you click on the dots, and you have an option here for delay delivery. Okay, it is also in this little icon in the corner, and you have do not deliver before. And you just change this. You can tick the box and change it to whichever date and time that you would like. Change that to tomorrow. And that's it. Then you close it. Then once you hit send, it should stay in your Outbox. With the other application, which is just Outlook, similar, you click on new and create a new email. So once you've finished, you can either click on this arrow, but I'm going to choose the long way first. You can either click on options, and you have this button which is specify a date and time to which this message should be delivered, or you can click on the drop down beside send and schedule a send. And then for both of them, you get the choice what day, what time. Okay, so I can change this from, customize. I can go through and change it to whichever date I'd like. So yeah, it could be tomorrow or Saturday. And then once you send, again, this should sit in the Outbox until you're ready. I suggest you actually try this option by sending it to yourself to test whether or not Outlook needs to be open for it to send. Now, in some cases where the email is hosted on a server, say Exchange server, this will go through to Outlook online and will sit there, and Outlook on your computer doesn't need to be open. But if it's, say, a POP3 account, it might not do that. It might sit in Outlook, and Outlook has to be open at the date and time that you want to send the email. And if Outlook isn't open at that date and time, it will just sit there until it does open, and then it'll go at the next available opportunity. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, then do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.